Okay, so we are still in exercise 1-1, which is exercise number 1. Okay, we have done from addition and subtraction. We have done from the multiplication. Let's now jump to division. Like we have from starting from question number 23, which is 3.6 divided by 0.2. Remember, all time when we would like to divide, we don't want our divisor to be a decimal. What I mean by our divisor is not a B decimal. Like the first number 3.6, it's okay to be a decimal, but the 0.2, we don't want it to be a decimal. And this is what you need to change first. Please remember, like here, this is dividing by 0.2, you don't want this 0.2, you just want it to be 2. Here, you're dividing by 0.8, you don't want it to be 0.8, you just want it to be 8. Here, this is, you just want it to be 6. You want this one to be 2, you want this one to be 11, you want this one to be 5. You want, this is already 4, it's okay. This is already 200, it's okay. This is 5.5, you need it to be 55. This is 0.06, you need it to be 6. This is 1 is 0.2, you need it to be 2. This is 1, it's okay. This one, it's okay. This is 1 is 0.01, you need it to be a 1. And this is what? This is you divide by 2.3, you need it to be 23.
We have to do this?
Yeah?
We have to like just keep the numbers after the point?
Yes, we need
After
to
the
make it
point?
a whole number. We don't need it to be a decimal, okay?
All right.
Okay, let's see how we make it a whole number. Like this is 36 or 36 divide 0.2. This 0.2, to make it 2, we need to multiply it by what?
Which one?
This 0.2, to make it 2, we need to multiply by what?
By 2.
By 2? If we
By
multiply
1, by 1.
0.2, if we multiply it by 2, are we gonna make it 2?
No.
No. If we multiply it by 1, are we gonna make it 2?
No.
No. So 0.2 multiply which number? It will be 2.
Multiply by 2.
Remember, whenever we would like to remove a decimal point out, we need to multiply by 10 and powers of 10. Okay? Whenever you need to remove a decimal point, you either multiply by 10 or one of the powers of 10. When I say powers of 10, that means 100, 1,000, and so on. 0.2, to move this decimal point out, you need to multiply by what? How many digits of the decimal point?
By 10, by 10.
You just need to multiply by 10 because there is only one digit of the decimal point, right?
Yeah.
Then you multiply the two numbers by 10. 3.6 multiplied 10 is going to be what?
10 multiplied by what?
You multiply both of them by 10. You say to make this one out, you need to multiply by 10. Then you multiply both of them by 10. 3.6 multiplied 10 equal?
With the decimal point?
Yes, it's going to be
3.6
multiply 10.
multiply 10.
It's going to be what? This is what we talked about in before. Like we said, when we multiply by 10, we need to move decimal point 1 digit. When we multiply by 100, we need to move a decimal point 2 digits. Multiply by 1,000, move it 3 digits. Multiply by 10,000, 4 digits, and so on. Now you are multiplying by 10. So decimal point will be removed how many digits?
10, 1.
1. So 3.6 multiply 10 is going to be what?
36.
Going to be 36. Then it will be 36 divided by, we multiply here also by 10. 0.2 multiply 10 is equal?
2.
2. This is what we want. We want the second number. The 0.2, we want it to be a whole number. That's where we multiply by 10. When we multiply here by 10, we need to multiply also here by 10 to keep the balance. Okay? Then we say 36 divided 2. 36 divided 2 is equals to 18. Are we clear?
Yeah.
Yes. Look at number 24. Number 24, you have got the second number is 0.8. To move the decimal point out, you need to multiply by what?
By 10.
By 10. So multiply here by 10 and multiply here by 10. So when you multiply 0.592 by 10, the answer will be?
It will be 5.
Mm-hmm.
Point 9. by
0.9,
9.92
0.92. And when you say this
over
divide, when you multiply
over
the 0.8 by 10, it's going to be what?
8.
8. Now you go and deal with it as long division normally. Long division, you do the division house. You write the 5.92 divide by 8.
Yeah.
Can we divide 5 by 8?
No.
No, because 5 is smaller than 8. So we need to take the 59, right?
Yes.
Whenever you use the first number after decimal point, 9 is after decimal point or not?
9 what?
9 is after decimal point, right?
Yes. Yes.
So when you said 5 divide 8, you said no. Then you have a decimal point. You need to put this decimal point up, okay?
Yeah. Which is 0.
And then you
0.5.
take the 59, okay?
Okay.
Do you have 59 in table 8?
So,
What a number less than the first number less than 59 you have it in table 8? What is it?
80, 58.
Do you have 58 in table 8?
Oh, no, no, no.
Okay, so you look for the first number less than 59 in table 8.
6.
50 what?
6.
Yes, you have got 56. So you write the 56 below the 59. And then divide it. 56 divided 8 equals what?
7.
Is equal to 7. And then you subtract. 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. And 5 minus 5 is equal to 0.
0.
Then you put this 2 down.
Yes.
Do you have 32 in table 8?
Yes.
Yes, we do. So we write 32 because we have it in table 8. And 32 divided 8 is equals to what?
4.
Is equals to 4. And then we say 32 minus 32 is equals to 0. This is how we divide it. Are we clear?
Yeah.
Now let's see this number. Number 25. We have got this number 0.1404 divided by 0.06. We say this number, we want it to be a whole number, right?
Yes.
To make it a whole number, we need to multiply by what?
We need to multiply by 100.
We need to multiply by 100. So we multiply by 100. When we multiply by 100, we need to multiply both of them by 100. The first number,
Yes.
when we multiply by 100, we get
1.04.04.
we don't need to write the 0, so we'll write say
Okay, so
14.0.
0.04.
We say this one divided by what?
6.
Divided by 6. Because we multiply also here by 100, we get 6. Now we do go and we do long division as normal as we've learned before, like long division. And we divide 14.04 divided by 6. Do we have 14 in table 6?
Yes.
Do we have 14 in table 6?
No, 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 no.
No. What do we have? What's the first less number? Then less than 14 we have in table 6.
12.
Yes, it's a 12. Then 12 divided 6 equals
2.
2. Then we subtract. 14 minus 12 is equal
2.
2. Then this decimal point, we take it and we put it what?
Up.
Up. And then we put the 0
Down.
down. Then 20 divided 6 is equals to. Do we have 20 in table 6?
Yeah.
What number multiply 6 is equal 20? We need to be good at multiplication
12.
table to understand this idea.
Yeah.
Yes. Do we have 20 in table 6?
No.
No. What the first number less than 20 we have it in table 6?
18.
So we write the 18 under the 20. And then we divide 18 divided 6 equals
3.
3. And then we subtract. The remainder is
2.
2. Then we bring down
The 0
the
and the
4.
4.
Do we have 24 in table 6?
Yeah.
Yes, we do. So because we do, we write the 24 itself. And that's equal to 4.
4.
And there is no remainder. Remainder is 0. Okay? Okay?
Oh,
So
okay.
this is how we do what? This is how we do the division. Whenever we're dividing by decimal, first step, we remove the decimal point out by multiplying both numbers.